Hello everyone, welcome to NumberX. Today we are glad to announce that we have launched our very first mind map on the chapter Life Processes of Class 10th. So, what is this mind map? This mind map contains the most important topics under the chapter Life Processes, which you can see on the screen. So, we have the introduction, types of life processes, and definition of each one of them. And lastly, we have a conclusion. So, let's start with it. So, you can understand how to follow this mind map efficiently. First is the introduction. So, introduction. The definition says that life processes are the basic functions carried out by any living organism to sustain life. That's very true. Any living organism carries out life processes so that it can live and survive in the hostile environment it faces. Okay? Then there is importance of it. We already discussed that. It is vital for survival, growth, and reproduction. Okay, then next comes the types of life processes. Types of life processes listed very well here. First is nutrition. Next, respiration, transportation, excretion, reproduction, and growth. And there is definition to every one of them. First is the nutrition. So there's the definition, then the type, autotrophic, heterotrophic, the subtypes. We have included the example that organisms that produce their own food, that is the autotrophic nutrition. Most common example is green plants. It is also followed by organism plankton, as you all know, and then there is heterotrophic nutrition. The subtypes are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, saprophytes. Okay, then there is respiration. There's the definition, then types. We have included the equations that are very important for your course examination. Many questions come from the equation part. So we have it also included in the mind map. So first is aerobic respiration. Its equation is given here. Then anaerobic respiration, which occurs without oxygen. So its equation is here. And a very important example that you people have to study under anaerobic respiration, that is of yeast. So its equation is also mentioned here. So you can see that we have included important topics of life processes, and it's a quick overview of the chapter. So next comes transportation. Transportation. Its definition is given. Movement of substances like nutrients, gases, and waste products inside any organism. Very clear? Then types of transportation. First is in plants, you all know it happens through phloem and xylem. Then in animals, it's transported via veins. Then comes excretion. If an organism utilizes food for energy, not 100% is used for energy consumption and production. Some of the waste has to be removed from the body. First, excretion system in humans, kidneys and the whole urinary system, and then in plants, it happens through stomata. Then is the reproduction system. This life process is not important in the day-to-day life. You all know that this is only important for the survival of the whole species, not a single person. So there is the definition, the process by which organisms produce offspring to ensure the continuation of the species. So it is important for the continuation of the species and not for the day-to-day living of an organism. So then there is the type. First is asexual reproduction and then sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves only one parent. It is written here. And in sexual reproduction, it involves two parents, male and female. The methods are given here, and Examples in sexual reproductions are mentioned. Then there is growth. So, as we all know that any living organism grows. Then there is types of growth. First is the plant growth and then the animal growth. You can read these two growths independently. The whole gist of the mind map, life processes, is mentioned in the conclusion. So, what is the conclusion? Life processes are interrelated and essential for the survival of living organisms. It is very well understood. And then there is each life process plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis and ensuring the proper functioning of an organism. I hope you like the efforts we have put into this video and this mind map. You can find this mind map in the description. We have provided the link of PDF so that everyone can access it for free. And with this, we are ending this video. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.